Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your JetBlue TrueBlue account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start earning points on flights. Step 1. Visit jetblue.com in your web browser and click on Sign in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Enter your TrueBlue number or email address and password to log into your account. Step 3. After logging in, you'll see your JetBlue dashboard displaying your TrueBlue points balance and account status. Step 4. Look for any verification notifications or prompts about completing your account setup. Step 5. Click on your name or My Account in the top navigation to access your account settings. Step 6. Navigate to Profile or Account Information to review your personal details and verification status. Step 7. Check if your email address is verified. If not, you'll see a prompt to verify it. Step 8. Click on Verify Email or Resend Verification Email to receive a verification link in your inbox. Step 9. Open your email and look for a verification message from JetBlue with a subject line like, "Please verify your JetBlue account." Step 10. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you to the JetBlue website and automatically verify your email address. Step 11. Return to your account settings to confirm that your email now shows as verified. Step 12. Complete your TrueBlue profile by ensuring all information is accurate, including your full name as it appears on your government ID, date of birth, and contact information. Step 13. Add your known traveler number or TSA pre-check number if you have one to expedite airport security. Step 14. For additional account security, update your password and security questions in the account settings. Step 15. With a verified account, you can book flights, earn and redeem TrueBlue points, manage your bookings, and access member benefits including early boarding and bonus point offers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.